Hey man, I'd love to agree with you. I just can't. So you can have a bad IPR, but I guess it depends on what defines bad. I mean, if it's trashed, you're 100% correct. That truck's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to start. It's just going to crank until, well, until the starter's dead or the batteries die. But a whole lot of IPRs, they don't fail this way. They just get some crap caught up in there that can actually be cleaned out. So what you do is you take a paper towel and you set it on the workbench. That way you can see what's going on. And you go ahead and you set your little 1/4 inch diameter bolt, maybe 1 inch, 1.5 inches long, on its head so the threads are facing up. Pop the screen off the IPR using two small flat-headed screwdrivers, and then go ahead and slide that bolt, slide the IPR over the bolt, and manually actuate the plunger. And spray some brake clean on the side orifices while you're doing it, and see what kind of crap comes out. This is the purpose of the paper towel. 9 times out of 10, if your IPR is misbehaving, that takes care of it. Every once in a while, no, not so much. But recognize that when there is crap, when there is debris caught up in there, that's going to cause the IPR to somewhat function. It'll malfunction, but it won't not function. And a whole lot of times, your truck will still start and run right. It's just that under large power applications where it's like, the IPR valve is trying to say, hey man, again, I'm going to give it more Scotty kind of thing. You feel like your truck's kind of falling on its face because wide open isn't actually wide open because there's crap in the way. So that's what I'd say. Do with what you want. If you want to buy an IPR valve from me, I certainly sell them. And by the way, the IPR valve I sell on FICMRepair.com is a Motorcraft IPR. So if you want to buy a new one, that's great, but it's spendy, right? I'd rather have you save the money. And so just clean yours. A screen kit, then perfect. We'll say a screen kit. It's a whole lot less expensive than an IPR valve, and then you can see what's going on. Just make certain that you prime the high pressure oil system after you're done, and that way you don't have to become my customer with the FICM. If you don't know what I'm talking about, do a search quick on here on TikTok. Just prime spacebar FICM repair, and you'll find that video, or same thing on YouTube. And that way you're not putting your FICM in harm's way, and you can save your money for something for Christmas for your family. All right, thanks very much. FICMRepair.com. We're all in this together. Appreciate you guys. See ya.